You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, rear wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.